Distinctively smooth. Distinctively satisfying. Mild 7 Lights.
Cigarette smoking is hazardous to health.
Lunar movement, sunrise, sunset, embracing our lives. Engraphed by Casio digital technology. Casio Moon Graph. A star is born.
I've always looked up to my brother. I admire his keen mind, his passion for learning, his knowledge of antiques, and how he always attracts the most interesting people.
That's amazing.
Only with them does he share his favorite cognac,
David.
Martel Cordon Bleu. I'd like to think that there's a little of my brother in me.
This looks familiar. Well, it should.
Martel Cordon Bleu, the connoisseur's choice.
The Hong Kong Space Museum is proud to present Beavers, an Omnimax show. Set in pristine forests and warm waters in the heart of the Canadian Rocky Mountains. Beavers depicts the story of a family of nature's greatest engineers as they transform the world around them.
Give a new life to others by donating your kidneys and corneas for transplant. And do it now. For more information and donation cards, please call the Central Health Education Unit at the Department of Health on telephone number 572-1476. Behind the Iron Curtain. The secret police are enemies of the people.
There he is!
Get up.
Saturday, 9:30, January's movie of the month, White Knights, a special tribute to freedom.
Hello there, welcome back to our final bit on tonight's edition of Mild 7 Super Sounds. 3 acts to go in our final segment. We have a lady who's successfully stepped out of the shadow of her truly great father, a lady with one of the best voices around at the moment, in my opinion, Natalie Cole. There's also Spandau Ballet, whose Kemp brothers made a movie this year, a movie about the infamous Cray twins, the gangland twins of London. And there's the former Beach Boy who never really grew up, a guy who made a break back into the pop business in 1988 after years of illness and legal battles against his father, who was the Beach Boys manager. Brian Wilson to kick off this segment tonight.
I was sitting in a crummy movie with my hands on my chin.
And with that from Natalie Cole, we wrap up this evening's edition of Mild 7 Super Sounds here on Pearl. Hope you enjoyed it. The programme came from the Cuckoo Club on the Spanish island of Ibiza. Well, we've more great concert action in future editions of Mild 7 Super Sounds, so until next time, enjoy your viewing here on Pearl. And with one more clip to leave you with, it's Prefab Sprout. Until next time, good night.
Mild 7 Super Sounds was co-sponsored by Mild 7 Lights.
Mild 7 Lights. Discover the light breeze beyond the blue horizon. Distinctively smooth. Distinctively satisfying. Mild 7 Lights.
Cigarette smoking is hazardous to health.